Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your iPhone. First, head to the Apple App Store and download the game. Make sure your iPhone has at least 2 GB of RAM and enough storage space for the game files. A stable internet connection, like Wi-Fi, is essential for smooth gameplay. Once installed, simply launch the game and either create a new account or log in with your existing Call of Duty profile to begin. Mastering your controls is key to success. The game offers intuitive on-screen touch controls, but you can personalize them. Navigate to the Settings menu to customize your heads-up display, moving buttons for comfort. Adjusting sensitivity for aiming and movement will significantly impact your performance. Spend some time in the training mode to get a feel for your customized setup and improve your reflexes. Call of Duty Mobile offers a variety of exciting game modes. Dive into classic multiplayer matches such as Team Deathmatch, where 2 teams compete for kills or domination, focusing on capturing objectives. For a larger experience, try the 100-player Battle Royale mode. Remember to complete daily missions and challenges to earn rewards and experience points, which help you unlock new weapons, characters, and other cool items. To elevate your gameplay, consider these advanced tips. Wearing headphones can give you a significant advantage by allowing you to hear enemy movements and gunfire more clearly. Effective communication with your team through voice chat is crucial for coordinated attacks. Always use cover to minimize exposure during intense firefights. Finally, experiment with various weapon loadouts and attachments to discover what works best for your individual playstyle and the current map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.